இன்னும் 10 வீடியோ தான் இருக்கு என் 100th வீடியோ ரீச் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. நீங்கள் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுறீங்க, அதுக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். ஆனால் நீங்கள் உங்கள் பேரை போடணும். இப்போ நீங்கள் ஒரு ஸ்னாப்ஷாட் எடுத்து அது உங்களோட பேரோட போட்டு ஷமீஸ் கிச்சன் ஃபேஸ்புக் பேஜில் போட்டிங்கன்னா அப்போ உங்கள் பேர் வந்து லக்கி ட்ராவில் இருக்கும். அப்போ தான் நீங்களும் ப்ரைஸ் வின் பண்ணலாம். இப்போ சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் லக்கி ட்ராவை வின் பண்ணுங்க. Hi guys, welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a very easy lunchbox recipe, pepper cumin rice. Check out the ingredients and let's start it. These are the very few ingredients we need to make our pepper cumin rice. I've taken a bowl of cooked basmati rice. You can take any rice of your choice. So let's start to make our pepper cumin rice. Now let's dry roast the cumin and pepper. There goes the cumin, and there goes the pepper. 5 bowls. And now let's dry roast it. Oh yeah, we need to put it in medium flame. Mostly forgot about it. Okay, and I can smell the cumin. Like, it's very strong. That means it's time to turn off the stove. I've grinded cumin and the pepper. It doesn't have to be like nice and powdered. This should be enough. Now let's switch on the stove and then add the ghee. Let's add in the slippery ghee. Let's wait for the ghee to melt. The ghee has now melted into this liquid. Now it's time to add the cashew nuts. Mix them. The ghee was a solid. Now look, it turned into a liquid. Let's wait until the cashew nuts turn into golden brown. The cashew nuts have turned golden brown. Now it's time to lower the flame. It's time to add the rice. Add the cumin and pepper mixture. Be gentle with the rice and give a gentle mix. Oh, I can see the cashew nuts, they're coming up. Break the lumps if you find any. That's all, our pepper cumin rice is ready. Now let's transfer it to our plate. It's taste time. I'm going to try our delicious pepper cumin rice. Let me try it. This dish is very good for a very busy day. And the cumin and pepper flavors are awesome. You guys try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!